Alright, so what's up guys? I'm just sharing with you some results from the trade copy. Alright, so that's a trade we took today, this morning. This week has been a very slow week, guys. So if you're a part of the free group, the reason we didn't really send any trades or anything like that was because the week has been very slow. So for me, that is, but in terms of the trade copy, I took this trade this morning, right? This GBP USD sell. Alright, I'm going to share the results on the screen as well so you guys can see it. I didn't send it in the free group, but I send it actually send it in the signals and trade copy group. So if you're a part of that group, then you definitely get the signal. There were some issues with the software with the MT5 and MT4, so that was I had to get that sorted out. And also Deriv, if you use Deriv, then you realize Deriv changed some of the servers and stuff. So yeah, I sent this out in the after 3 in the morning, right? And with the server change and the software actually messed with my execution of the trade, so that was a problem. But I was able to enter multiple positions on everybody's account. So this is what took place about like hour and a half ago. It hit TB. I'm going to share the results as well on the screen. So guys, if you want to be a part of the copy, and I know a lot of you guys want to see results like these, right? And probably wondering, if you pay the subscription fee, will you be able to make it back? Alright, and not just make it back, will you be able to secure some in your pocket as well? But that's the aim of this. Alright, as you can see for this trade only, right, we were able to make at least $100 on everybody's account. Alright, 120, 150, 160, 110, around there about, right? And of course I'm sharing some of the results on the screen so you guys can see for yourself. Alright, this is just one trade. That's just one trade only. But yeah, see for yourself for 250 USD. Majority, a matter of fact, all of these accounts that are on the screen started with $300 in their account. Alright, I'll share some with the trades before I close them, and I'll share some with the history only. So that's it guys. Peace.